Our code is so good, especially if you are holding, let's say, a keynote or if you're out and about, have your website QR code ready and people can just scan it and jump onto your website or give you straight away a review. So make a use of that, definitely. Highly recommended. And yes, blogs, analytics, you can see here. Make sure to select what you're trying to look at. If you go to all, it usually doesn't show very accurate details, but you choose the right website and see what's who's visited, what their like how many people have visited your website, where did they come from, how long did they stay on my website, what pages have they visited, what pages are getting used most. These are absolutely amazing informations for your marketing and to understanding how your clients are reacting and what pages are working well. You always would like to see your homepage to be the highest. That is really normal. But other than that, it would be important to see if people are actually spending time on your website, on what pages they are spending time on.